Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Neeraja's Cooking and Crafts. Today I'll be showing you how to make eggless mayonnaise. So let's get started. Okay, so first into this blender jar, we're going to be adding half a cup of milk, half a cup of oil, half a teaspoon of mustard powder, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of sugar. Now we're going to be pulse blending this 10 times. Okay, so after pulse blending it, it should become a little creamier. So now into here, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Now, we pulse blend this another 10 times. Okay, so now after pulse blending it another 10 times, it should be creamy like this. And now into here, we'll be adding another 2 tablespoons of oil. And then we'll be pulse blending this another 10 more times. Okay, now, as you can see, it's super creamy, and this is how it should be. This is how you make eggless mayo. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!